Hey YouTube, it's Sean. We're going to attempt to fix Tasha's tablet. If you go back in a few videos, quite a few, but if you go back, she got a tablet for her birthday. It's a little good little tablet, but I don't know if you guys can see it. Probably not. That little charging jack right there. It's gone bad. It's actually crumbled. Let me see here. It's crumbled inside. Inside there. Inside the jack itself. It's crumbled apart. And I've tried to repair the best I can. It still won't charge. So the battery went dead and yada yada. You know how that goes. But we all know those Chinese guys. They have the parts for their Chinese things. So I ordered away, and I got this little jack. I'm going to solder it into there. But for $2.89, $2.89, you get a whole freaking bag of them. So there you go. Got a bag of them, and these are. I do a lot of laptop repair and tablet repair, so for $2.89, we got 10 or 12 of them. Took a month to get here, of course, but that's okay. We got it, and it's the exact same piece. That's, if you can see it, it's the exact same piece. Hard to see it, but it's the exact same part that is in there. So let's see if we can fix this. We'll call this part 1 of tablet repair. And this is an iRulu. It's a rather cheap tablet, $50. But this is an iRulu tablet, and all we have to do is take that one out and put that one in. I know it's going to be a little delicate, a little surgery, but I'm used to that. Intricate soldering. But we'll get it. We'll put that one where that one is. Alright guys, call this part 1, and I'll show you it working when we get it done. Take care guys, and remember, if you watch it, thumb it up please. Alright, thank you, bye bye.